Hello everyone, we are happy to present new and enhanced Canvas module. Canvas module is an addition to OnPin Shop exclusive specialized designer studios to offer personalized experience and multi-print product segments. OnPin Shop offers integrated web to print and print order management solution with 5 specialized designer studios like Canvas module, photo print module, commercial, wide format, promotional studio, photo book studio, and photo calendar and diary studio. Each of these designer studios are developed to offer high-end and personalized experience to end clients while designing specific products in your online storefront. Canvas module is specially designed module to help print service providers to expand into new print product segment of canvas, wall art, and posters. So let me take you through customer journey on our demo storefront for Canvas module. Canvas module is developed after detailed research and development, understanding the fastest growing photo print market. It is very intuitive, and in 3 simple steps, your end client can order canvas within minutes. First of all, they can select the canvas like single, split image, or canvas with multiple images. They can upload the pictures, select options, and order. So here is the first example of single image canvas, wall art, or poster. You can create fixed size or a custom size canvas and pricing based on measurement like inches, centimeter, or feet. So client can select the desired size and select their personal picture. They can upload the picture from PC, laptop, or mobile. And also it is ready with the social media and cloud API. So they can also use their personal images from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, or a Dropbox. The biggest requirement in Canvas is to offer super easy and high-end experience to your clients and show them real-time look and feel for the canvas. So here you can present them Canvas special effects. So first customer can select the thickness they want to apply in their canvas. And they can also see the live preview changing on the left-hand side. They can apply the different edge design like folded, mirrored, or in color. Even if I change the edge design, it is also changing the preview like showing mirror on the edges. The image effect, they can change it to black and white or a sepia or keep it to original. And they can also apply the specific frame in the canvas. Here you can provide them solid color frames like black or white or any other color frames you guys are offering. And you can also apply and offer the frames like premium, like wood, dark wood, light wood, golden, or silver. And the biggest advantage here, customers are able to see the live preview on the left-hand side. Now, with this spatial image simulator, they're also able to see their finished canvas and how it would look in their home. They can preview the canvas in the bedroom, in their dining room, in their living room. So they would get a personalized high-end experience while ordering canvas in your storefront. Similarly, you can offer multiple image canvas where clients are able to upload multiple images. First of all, here you can configure a variety of canvas panels into various sizes, shapes, and design. An end client can select the one they prefer and adjust each of the image. So here I can also select the different image layout and then upload my personal images. After applying all my images, I also have all the canvas effects which I can apply, and also an image simulator to see how this finished canvas would look like at my home. The third type of canvas you can offer is a split canvas. In split canvas, the one canvas image is getting split into multiple canvases. Here also you can create variety of canvas layouts and panels, and end client can see that image is getting splitted into the multiple canvas panels. And they can order all these different canvases easily in your online storefront. So with Canvas module, you can quickly offer canvas, wall art, and poster products without need of programmers or IT skills. And it is easiest to configure from the backend and quickly offer in your OnPin Shop storefront. Now let me show you the backend part, how easy it is to download the Canvas orders and how easy it is to configure Canvas products. So here, this is one of the taste order which we have placed, which has a single canvas, split canvas, and canvas with multiple images. If you can click on action for this order, system has created invoice, file, shipping label, and job ticket. Now let me show you the file which I have already downloaded for this order. So this is an order number 27, which has 3 files because there are 3 canvases ordered and there is a job ticket. The job ticket is per production department, so they can see customer ordered what sizes and what options on each of the canvas. And here, this is the single image canvas, which is a single photo. And in the case of the split canvas, it has divided one image into 3 parts and created 3 pages in the PDF. Here you can also see on the edges, whatever effect customer has selected, mirror or folded, it is also there. So this is the print ready file which can directly go into printing. Here, another file I would like to share is of multi-image canvas file. So here the canvas is into multiple sizes. So you can see there are 5 pages of the canvas according to the canvas panel we have configured, and each of the images are on a separate page. So you get a ready print ready file which can directly go into printing. Now let me explain how easy it is to set up the canvas product. For the single page canvas, you can define the number of sizes you would like to offer into the canvas, and you can also set up your prices for those canvas products. And after selecting the variety of sizes and the prices, you can see one of the specialized setting which is under canvas. So here, first of all, you can create your additional options. For example, border thickness, edge designs, image effect, frames. And if you do not offer certain options, you can also disable it, so your customers would not get an option to select. Now, here we have created this spatial interface where you just have to select the specific additional options which you have created with the spatial effect. So maybe if I want to provide them a border thickness, I have to select from frame thickness, predefined options, and I can give them specific thickness pixel, which would be displayed to the customer. For certain options like frame type, you can also select the color. So in the frame, if you would like to offer them variety of colors, you can also select the different color of the frames according to your offering. Also from frames like premium, for example, which is more like wooden frame or a golden or silver, we allow you to upload the left and the top image for the frame, and it will automatically create the image into a surrounding according to the image you have uploaded. Now, in the case of multi-page canvas and the split canvas, we have created one more configuration called wall configurations. So here you can create a walls. For example, I can create the total wall size, which is 30 by 30, and then I can divide this wall into multiple canvases. So I would like to offer in this frame, for example, one 12 by 12 inches, another one is 10 by 10, and the last one is 5 by 5. So you have to calculate the total 3 of the canvas panel. It should not exceed the total size of the canvas with its width and height. So we are breaking one bigger canvas into the smaller canvases. After you do that, you can go inside your page layout and add a page layout for that canvas. So you selected, you created that canvas panel, you select from here, and in the next page, you'll be able to take into a Designer Studio where you are able to adjust all your canvas panels. So this canvas panel has 10 by 24 2 panels, 12 by 12 1, and 24 by 10 2. So I can adjust now all these canvas panels, and accordingly, all these adjustments are displayed on the storefront for your customers to select. So here you can create as many canvas panel and divide into multiple sizes, especially for multi-page canvas as well as for the split canvases. So this is how it's easy to configure the canvas products and launch canvas into your online storefront, in OnPrintShop storefront. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want more information, you can contact us at www.onprintshop.com.